Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you the step-by-step tutorial on how to get Japan in Infinite Craft. So by the end of this video, you'll learn how to do them. Without further ado, let's get into it. The first thing that we need to do is to combine water and water to create a lake, then combine fire and fire to create volcano. After that, combine volcano and lake to create an island. Then combine earth and earth to create a mountain. Then combine island and island to create continent. Then combine continent and mountain to create Asia. Now combine Asia and island to create Japan. And that is basically it for this video. Thank you guys for watching Tech Tricks tutorial. I hope you learned something, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day everyone.